So we're replacing the carpets at my house, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to finally find and fix those really annoying squeaky spots in the subfloor. Now, I am by no means an expert. I kind of learned on the fly, if you will, but I found out that it's a nail issue, and I've already fixed like maybe 15 or 20 of them. It's basically nails that are squeaking. I don't know, maybe they're not as tight in there as they need to be, so you walk on the floorboard and the nail, the wood moves on the nail, so it squeaks, it drops. I found out that the best way you could do this is just walk down on the floor, try, slowly try to find where the squeaks are coming from, which boards are squeaking, and I have one in this area. So I have a foot on each board, and so it's definitely coming from this area over here. And then what you would do is locate the nail heads, not the screws, but the nails. Grab a screwdriver, start pushing on them one by one until you find the one that's squeaking. So here's one right there, nothing. Here's one right here, nothing. There's a nail right there. There you go. So this nail needs to go. This nail right here has to go, and then you can just put a screw right next to it. The problem is these nails are pretty much embedded inside the wood, so you can't really grab them with a hammer to take it out. So here's what I've been doing, and it works like a charm. Basically, what you do is you get the screwdriver, you put it right next to the nail head right there, and this is just an old screwdriver I've been using as a chisel, it's speed up. You put it right next to the nail head, hit it with a hammer until it goes slightly under the nail head, and then you put something here. I'm just gonna use this right here, and then you just pry it out. So let's see how well this works. I'm just gonna set the camera down, and hopefully it's gonna be a good shot. Let's see. So you just wanna come right next to it, grab your hammer, and then you don't have to go deep. You just wanna catch the bottom lip of that nail's head. As soon as you think it engaged, you just set that like this, and then you use it to pry against. All right, let's give that another shot. I think I got it this time. There you go. And you only want the nail to be out just slightly, just enough to come at it with the hammer and pry it out. You can use, I myself like these deck mates. This is a 2-inch. The floorboards are, I believe, 3/4 of an inch thick. So I'm just gonna put that there. And let's see. Squeak is gone. Ah, the sweet sound of silence.